For 150 years, permanent way construction had to rely on the same methods: ballast and sleepers, wooden sleepers, concrete sleepers, iron sleepers. These were the only innovations in track laying. But the disadvantages of sleeper construction remained: high maintenance costs, the risk of broken rails, excessive noise pollution, damage from stray current, and, last but not least, the scruffy look of dirty ballast in towns.
Permanent way construction has a 150-year-old tradition, and when something new comes up, people still hanker after the same good old reliable methods used 150 years ago. So innovations really have to prove their worth.
Which is why 3 innovative European companies got together to develop jointly the tramway track of the future: the Infundo non-ballasted track system.
I have known the companies involved for over 30 years, so they are well-known track-laying firms, and luckily they've at last joined forces, pooling their technical resources to develop a new track construction.
The many years of experience and the innovative potential of all participants have resulted in the development of a future-oriented track system which takes all requirements of modern track construction into account.
We have 25, almost 30 years experience in actual permanent way construction, so we know all about it. Concrete has been used in road construction to build millions of kilometers, so the technology is proven. The novel conception facing us at the moment, and which is now being tried out, is to combine both to provide a good track system. Here we are in the laboratory of the testing office for overland traffic construction at the Technical University Munich, and we have fitted a small sample of the Infundo system on a servo-hydraulic testing machine. In place of the concrete support plate, we have selected a U-shaped steel section. The rail is elastically embedded, cast into this U-shaped steel section. This long-term test is designed to investigate the fatigue behaviour of the entire system in the course of 1 million load cycles. The static load experiments have shown that virtually linear strength and deformation behavioristics are present. The static load experiments have shown that virtually linear strength and deformation behavioristics are present. The kind of strength and deformation behavior desirable for the construction of permanent way. We have also discovered in long-term tests that the resilience is not impaired by permanent deformation, which also means that even after many years under operational loading, the same load distribution effect on the rails is guaranteed. Thanks to these favourable results in the long-term test, it can be clearly stated that this system offers good long-term behavioristics, which means that the maintenance required for this system will be minimized.
So the rails are no longer fixed to transverse sleepers but elastically embedded along their entire length. Long-life edilon Corkelast guarantees that the rails are homogeneously supported throughout at a specific determinable degree of elasticity. This gives the Infundo system extremely reduced vibration, offering excellent electrical insulation and reducing airborne and structure-borne noise considerably.
We were looking for a type of track construction which is stable on difficult substrates. which is easy to maintain and can be built as grass track. Infundo is a type laid in a firm concrete trough. The advantage is that the trough can be machine-made, which makes for quick work. We lay some 200 to 250 meters a day. We are building more and more urban grass track because no one wants ballast in inner cities. Firstly, because it looks dirty. Secondly, because the stones can be used as projectiles, and we don't want that either. So we see more and more track being built on grass for environmental reasons. This was already true with traditional methods. More and more grass track. So we have to combine this construction with grass. And here is where the grass goes in. Message from control to all trams on Route 25. Line clear on the new stretch of Infundo.
You can actively influence the future of your tramways by deciding on the right track system. The next generation will see whether your choice made today is future-oriented and thus shows wise foresight. Our world lives from the development and improvement of what already exists. If you decide on Infundo now, you decide in favor of a future that can start almost immediately.